Hi everybody, we have the iron Roomba with two chargers, empty bin and then the mop charger. The mop charger will actually have two main modes. So there's battery mode, which actually makes the robot charge, and then there's mop mode and steam mode. Now those two modes will let it steam or mop. So when it's mopping, it goes on the tile over there. It doesn't really sound good. It doesn't have very much power to go. I have to push it like this so it will clean charging. See how it says that? I know this cord right here, but it is wired to this, and it connects to my phone, and I can also use the app from my phone to control the vacuum. And the charger has a dust bag. Now, how I get the signal, or when it doesn't have signal, I have a signal box. The signal box is over here, right on here. I know it's different, but you can see this. I've put battery in here. I can just take this out and take like the batteries out. It'll still get power, even though the machine is a portable 4 machine. Now this machine does have its own signal connection. Now when it gets the signal connection, it's because when I Bluetooth device connect it, it says Bluetooth device new on my phone. Now when I pop this in, it turns back on again. And then these two are just spare batteries in case it doesn't have any more power. I just charge it up and it stays charged. Even though I have a piano here. And that's it, everyone. Bye.